Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to look at an idea with you that might be getting ready to lead Netflix into 500. So if we look at the multi-time frame workspace that I enjoy the most, it starts off with a weekly time frame, then offers, a monthly, then progresses into a weekly, and then a daily. There are three, pretty basic time frames. When I look at this monthly, I think that we're about to go through a period just like what you saw right here. You can see that this, shorter period of compression led to a very strong move in the stock, and now you can see that this squeeze has been an even longer amount of time compressing. So I'm just trying to go with the general trend here, and then also the concept that you can see we're no stranger to these big jutting moves higher. You can see the drive from 290 to 360 was significant, very similar 360 up into 450, and I'm considering the potential that if this week's lows hold, we may be on our way to 500. Now when you look at it off of the daily, there's not really much of a signal to speak to for that, but if you come down into the 130-minute chart, this offers a different story. I like the 130-minute chart because it takes the 390-minute cash session and divides it into 3 even bars. So it just creates an interesting pattern, and I think it's a great way to study the squeeze. So I look at this and see a signal here that led into a very nice pop higher, a signal here that took longer to compress and draw that pattern however you see fit, but I think it's ultimately a trend continuation pattern off of this right here, and now we have it once again with a shift in momentum. So just watch it on Monday and Tuesday. If it can get in here and start to clear that descending trend line, then you should be able to catch a quick trade into a new lifetime high up above 450, and then if you've really got the patience through it, maybe it makes it easy to 500. We'll see, but I at least wanted to give you the idea, the setup as you start your next trading week, and then we'll recap it next Friday. So y'all have a good weekend, and I will talk to you then.